Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll examine the
Kludge RK61 dual mode mechanical gaming RGB keyboard. This keyboard is available from various sellers online, but the best price I got was from Banggood, and with coupon you will also get small discount. Just Google it. Estimated price is around $50 and this is the cheapest pretty decent quality mechanical keyboard you can get. Apart from being mechanical, it comes in 3 flavors. You can have brown, red or blue keys. It has 61 keys and it's a 60% keyboard, meaning it has only the main alphanumeric button, no separate numpad or arrow keys. You can get it in black or white versions and from several warehouses. I got it from the Spanish warehouse because in Czech they didn't have blue keys version and it arrived in like 10 days. Its dimensions are 290 times 100 times 35 millimeters. It has RGB backlit and you can connect it either via detachable 1.8 meter USB cable or via Bluetooth. Now let's see how it is installed in Windows. First of all, you have to switch the back button to Bluetooth. Then press Function plus Q since it supports connection to 3 devices, and you switch those by pressing Function plus Q, W or E. Now it should be visible and pair with your PC. Once you connected, there are several hotkey combinations you can use. For instance, since it has no function keys, in order to get F1, you would press function plus 1, etc. The immediate control of lighting is also provided via function key. So there are keys to cycle the colors, set RGB animation speed and switch animations. And there are a total of 17 animations. There is also Win Lock, which prevents Windows key from activating when you're playing games. There is also software you can use to customize the colors and layout, even create macros. Okay, first of all, you have to find out which version of RK61 you have. There are 3 versions: Open File Explorer and Find My Computer. Right-click and from the menu select Manage, then find Device Manager. Under Device Manager, find Keyboards and select first HID keyboard device. Now switch to Details and then select Hardware IDs from the drop-down. The number you see is your model. It should be either 8006, 0256 or 024F. Now go to the link provided in the description and download the correct exe. After installation, you can run the program. There are 4 tabs: Customize, Lighting, Gaming, and Macros. The software is pretty straightforward, and there you can customize each and every key.
Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.